Afana.
I did.
You look tired.
Zine.
One drink water now.
If you drink.
Yes, drink.
Guy, you've saved the soul.
Omo, it's tasty. Drink this one. Thank you. Omo.
Guy. God bless you. We go see.
You go see now, boss. Bring my water.
What be this? What be this?
Can we get for this thing now? Patience. There are bushes around.
Yes!
Mommy, give me another drink. You don't say mine don't like
Nah,
I swear to God, mine don't win. Take drink. Thank you, bro. Drink it. Drink more.
Mind the rush.
Oh yeah, no drink. Oh yeah, drink.
What's it now?
Let's get it.
Mommy, my change. When?
Yes!
Almost. Oh, can we get for this?
Yes!
Home at last.
It is time.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Alright, so let's take a stroll.
Go inside that.
Then I'll see you later.
Alright now.
Nice to see you, Joe.
They go now.
Bye.
Yes! They go.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Finito.
Blood of Jesus.
Yes! 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 Yes!
The blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus. Look what to me like this.
Like, why you stay your house now? This guy.
Guy, lies don't cost.
Stingy like every time. That beans we are mom cook. I check freezer and see them. We don't finish our way. Me say we don't see them.
Guy, what you dey cook?
Porridge.
Guy, why now?
Say anything I go use chow the bread. Guy, I know say I don't dey tell you. I beg, I don't book babe Wednesday. Let me clear your room, I beg. Hi, ciao. Ate. Guy, what you dey do?
Nah, they come, I the sheets.
What type of planning?
I they come.
You be want to see that?
Yeah, it be like. Guy, bring my pots now.
Young man,
Yes, sir.
meet my wife, your madam.
I see the new maid.
Yes.
Where the madam?
Your small madam, my dog.
Dad, is this why you called me?
Where the madam?
You can go and begin your work.
Why are you so late?
You're too fine to be a maid. You're a maid. Fine.
Thank you. What's going on?
It was just a test. At least now I can trust you not to touch my daughter. Go on with your work.
Yes! Yes!
See, if you don't come here right now, tell my husband you tried to touch me.
Tell him. You can tell him. I'm tired. I'm leaving this house. I'm leaving this house.
This is just another test. Now I know I can trust you with my wife and my daughter.
No, they tempt me.
What be this? Blood of Jesus. What be this?
What have you done?
They play. Just they play.
You did this to me.
Keep tempting me and you are next.
Time on the line.
Now Joe be that now. Oh, God, so truth or dare?
There.
I dare you to kiss me.
You can't be there for yourself.
It is sweet us, he depend them. I see they bend them, it is sweet us. Yeah, now.
Who's next? You're next.
I see the sweet us, he depend them. I see they bend them, it is.
Fit or there.
Truth.
So tell me, when last did you get laid?
Like
4 months ago.
Stop it! So, General, shoot her there.
There. There.
I dare you to grab her ass.
Now this guy take my words. Now this guy take my lead. Now this guy take with it was my friend.
God have mercy upon us.
So you, truth or dare?
Truth, I'm tired of this dead thing.
So tell us, what's your darkest secret?
I'm transgender, guys.
Jesus! Jesus!
I'm transgender.
Like you used to be gay, then you now switch later to be boy.
No, I was a guy, then I cut it off to become a woman.
Ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps. Et si tu m'abandonnes, je suis pas celle que tu crois. Aucun câble.
That's the least.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
There's more.
Jesus!
This thing is hot me, it's scary.
It's scary. Come, John. Why are you scared? So you believe in all these ghosts and all these things? It's just a mere bush. Going out in the just a mere bush. That's why we are called men. Bye-bye.
Run.
Call myself the blood of Jesus.
Dis-moi ce que tu veux et arrête de te comporter bizarrement.
Possible. Omolalomi.
Dis-moi ce que tu veux. Si c'est le sexe que tu veux, dis-le-moi. Arrête de te comporter comme un enfant.
Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. I respect your decision. I don't know if probably I can.
Si tu ne peux pas parler, moi je m'en vais. Mais c'est quoi ça? Tu veux partir et tu ne vas plus jamais me revoir.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. But just a form hard to get. Okay, I'll call you back. Babe, Alpha, excuse me. Good evening. Happy New Year and more. How they be now? What's your name? Alima, not be lie. Say I need be like ice cream. Things sweet for me. To be orange, Alima. I know pay you before I chop you. Let's you new for this area, Abi. Wow, what a newcomer. Understand? Any of the beach, I be foundation for this area. You understand? So I saw leader hold on. You like know my name, Abi? My name calls to Alima. My name, na movement man and more. You understand? That more na etc. Many things where they follow me. Alima, don't be lying. Alima, I want to toast you. Come closer now. I toasted the toast you so. I want to start toasting so. I want to bust your bubble. Hi, baby. Alima, see your beauty now. Turn around now. Mind see your beauty. Say 360 now. Circumference beauty. Wow. What a queen and more. Any Asha, Alima, I don't know how they be. I don't see the where they go right now. You want to collect something for France? Okay, stress no day. But Alima, something within my mind though. I don't know whether you get up for mine to run twins for me. You're in my mind though. Something say you do twins for me. How they be? Because right now, I not be lie. As I see you, if you be mango, I don't wash you before I shop you. If at all. Because like this now, they consider whether I used to do baby mama or whether I put money for you. Which one you prefer? That's why they met me. Not be like the senior man, but it's like I feel like baby. You understand? Worldwide Halima. Not be like Halima. Anyway, me now. I want to feel you. I'm not saying when you come closer, I'm a very nice girl. I'm soft, I'm fragile. Not be loud. Halima, see your beauty, they cry. See your hip, they ring bell. What, Halima? What a beauty, what a beauty. Halima, beauty, they cry now. Halima, what a beauty. See beauty now. Not be like, I get Halima, but Halima, beauty don't shook. He said there, how far they be. Bang, man, you get what I said? Don't be loud. Halima. Like this, if at all, how might they help you back to back? How they color your fallopian tube, if at all? How they be now? Give me your code now, yeah. Dial on here so that I feel they navigate you understand? If I want to run your compass, if at all. What's your code now? You know they love you so. Halima, not be like your safety is sure 100 oh. If you walk around theory for 9, understand? Give me that vital. Give me that. That smell they wounds me oh. I don't get bulletproof for Halima. You want bump my head. Don't be like. If at all Halima, you sharp like this now. You understand so? So tomorrow is the D-Day now, you understand? 100 for you. More you officially start the team tomorrow now. More you're on a kick off around 2 as every idiot. Like you back to back, bumper to bumper. What Halima? There we miss.
Oh my days, you are more worried too.
He shot you. Hi guys, we are the venue of a very big movement, newly founded in the heart of Lagos. But before I talk too much, I want you to hear from the horse's mouth themselves. Let's go guys. Hi, good afternoon. What exactly are you guys doing here?
Actually, we fear women.
Obirin, you know they trust woman.
Jesus.
You know they trust woman. Woman, you never see anything.
But why? Why not? After so many heartbreaks, pain, agony, suffering, we decided to come together to start fearing women.
Woman, you never see anything.
I also read something online that you guys are accepting blind people.
You don't have to see them to fear them.
You guys seem so dedicated to this. Don't you have something else you do with your time?
I am a medical doctor.
Okay.
I work 4 hours a day and I sleep 2 hours a day.
What happens to the remaining 18 hours?
I use it to fear women.
What type of plane is this?
With this movement, where do you guys see yourselves in 5 years?
Well, we have the vision of going global, but right now we have people all around the world already joining and supporting the movement. From Canada.
My fear for women started 4 years ago. When my eyes saw what my mouth can't speak.
Ghana.
Fear women. You know what Akosia do to me? You know what Ama do to me? You know what Abna do to me? Because one slow about the other one slow motion.
This is plain.
Because also to me slow about, so slow about the also to me slow motion.
Precious, you.
I know what I've been into.
India.
So you guys don't believe in love?
We don't do that here.
Love is such a beautiful thing. Love of my life.
This man.
Man. Oh, you at the market. I'll call you right back. I don't want to disturb you. She's at the market. I don't want to disturb her. I'll call her back. Yeah, as I was saying, it's not too late. You can still retrace your steps. Oh, love is so beautiful. You can still find love. Yes. Oh, say yes. Yes. Love is in the air. Yes. 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 Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. Babe.
Not be juju be that. Fear women. Obirin.
Yes, I'll marry you.
Fear women.
Oh, Billy.
trust woman. Woman, you never see anything.
It's his first time.
So because of my age, my family members are now pressurizing me to bear children, to become a daddy. This means I should get a wife. But before getting a wife, I should work hard, get a job, and build a house. The problem is that after marriage, if we are to get any challenges or disputes and we divorce, all that I've worked hard for, whether she has contributed or not, we should share it 50%. God forbid. And women of this generation are not easy.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
The only solution is to remain lazy. Remain in my rental as I continue looking for one of those ladies that say they can love a man just the way he is.
Will you keep quiet?
Wow. Wisdom. We are surely moving.
No problem. God will see us. There is God.
We move.
Photo. Not be juju be that.